So, hello friends, welcome back to my blogs. I think you all are doing good and you all are good. My friends, today we will discuss what is the actual definition of the freedom and what is the actual meaning, what freedom allow us and what responsibility is also available in the word freedom. My friends, yesterday our NSA advisor Ajit Doval sir also speak about the freedom, what the actual meaning of freedom. So in this blog we will also code and decode the statements and the definition that is given by our NSA Ajit Doval sir, and also I will give my point of view on the freedom. So the statement that is given by our NSA, freedom does not mean arbitrariness. My friends, the meaning of arbitrariness is you can do anything by your choice. Means that the meaning of freedom is not give you responsibility or to you can do anything by your own choice. There are many disciplines, there are also many type of responsibilities are also available in the freedoms, because this freedom is not something that is smoothly included in the our constitution. In our constitutions, and as we all know that for the freedom, many of people, great people of our country, sacrifice their life for the freedom of our countries. My friends, you all know most of the freedom fighters who have sacrificed their life for the freedom of our country. See, freedom of country does not mean that freedom that is given to or include in the constitution. Freedom, if freedom fighter sacrifice their life for the freedom of a country, means that they sacrifice their life for the people of a country, for the freedom of the peoples. So if we talk about country, as we all know that one country is made up of the people who are living in that country. Okay, all the things, properties, humans are combined from one home, from one village, from one district, then one state, and state combined from one countries. As we all know that the small unit of everything is atom. So for building the country, the main role is human. So the freedom for which our freedom fighter were fought was the freedom for the peoples. So friends, we peoples need to know what is the actual meaning of freedoms. Freedom does not mean arbitrariness. My friends, I will also clear more about what is arbitrariness. Arbitrariness means that you can do what you want. Things can be right or so. My friends, freedom does not mean you can do anything without any rules. Okay, there is rules through which you need to do work. Okay, there are also many type of responsibilities is also come under the freedoms. Okay, and there are many type of many discipline is also required to get a good freedoms. So my friends, freedom is something that you can do in under the rules and doing or taking the responsibilities, and you need to live in a discipline. So friends, we all know that discipline is a positive word. The meaning of discipline is positive, okay, not negative. So discipline is also very important, because if we follow this type of things, if we understand the actual meaning of freedoms, no, through which no one can take the benefit by influencing through any other thing that is harmful for our country, for our societies. Because if we understand what is our responsibility for our country, then we will always take an influence by any content in very smart way. If we know the responsibilities, then we understand what is the main pros and cons of any content. If we know our responsibility, then we will always come together and demand the things in the fronts of governments, and we also need to understand that is it not involve any type of things that is going to harm the situation of our countries. This is our responsibility. This is not a responsibility of a government only. See, if we people understand our responsibility, then government will not try to use the forces for the people of our countries. Because if we know the responsibilities of our country, responsibility for our country, then we will always understand is what is the benefit of the work that we are going to do. So my friends, we all need to know about what is the actual meaning of freedoms. My friends, we will also discuss more about the freedoms, what is the actual meanings and responsibilities of the freedoms. My friends, if we take the responsibility, like as we all know that many vehicles, many numbers of vehicles are purchased by the people. So many areas and the environments of our country and world are also polluted, means that the rate of pollution increasing is always increasing day by day. So if we understand the responsibility, then we will try to use mostly by using transport that is run on roads, by taking some charges, like many type of taxes are running. Okay, through my friends, we always try to use our personal vehicles when two or more peoples are going at the same place where you are going from your side. But nowadays many people use their personal four-wheeler for only single drive. So friends, all these things are come under the responsibilities. If people understand the responsibility, disciplines that come under the freedom, then our country will progress more, and it will be very complex that many type of agencies who are involving or want a regime change in the countries. They want to set up the government that give benefit for themselves. So my friends, we all need to understand freedom is not arbitrariness. It is the rules, disciplines and responsibilities that make the future of our country better and very good. So my friends, now we will meet next days with same topic. What is the actual meaning of freedom? My friends, thank you so much.